Hi guys, it's Sunny here and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to create Rose's dress. This dress from Rose's Greeting 2024. Unfortunately, this dress isn't for me, it's order, but I'm glad to make it anyway. For this dress I bought black Chanel fabric. Just look at this, it's so sparkling. I want something from this fabric too. And white satin for top and bow. That's all. I cut out all details and now connect them together. I don't touch only one seam, side seam. To create bow, I cut out rectangle and square. I fold square in half, sew the seam and left one little hole to turn it out. After that I fold it this way and sew side seams. Create folds and after that use rectangle to finish bow. And it's full done, it's so easy to create and you can get such a beautiful bow. To create skirt, first I need to prepare fabric. I take Chanel and doublerine. I glue doublerine with iron to make fabric less loose. Pattern for skirt is so easy, it's 1/4 of circle. I connect two parts of top of dress by upper seam, after that cut extra edge. And sew together top part with skirt. Also on lining part I looped for straps. Pin details together and sew. Here's my favorite assistant and dress. Then I sew on hidden zipper. Finish side seam under zipper. Fold skirt edge and sew. I fold lining part like this and sew by hands. After I finish everything, I sew on bow and dress is done. I made this dress for order so I can show you on myself. I just can show you on mannequin. It looks like that. Well, I think it's look to original one, but it's another dress. It has same idea, but it's different. If you liked my video, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and leave comment about the result. View was Sunny, bye bye.